When the crypt doors creak and the tombstones quake, spooks come out for a swing and wake. Happy haunts materialize and begin to vocalize. Grim grinning ghosts come out to socialize. Now don't close your eyes and don't try to hide, for a silly spook may sit by your side. Shrouded in the dark disguise, they pretend to terrorize. Grim grinning ghosts come out to socialize.
When you hear the knell of a requiem bell, weird glows gleam where spirits dwell. Rise the bones materialize, rise as spooks of every size.
And the moon climbs high o'er the dead oak tree, spooks arrive for the midnight spree. Creepy creeps with eerie eyes start to shriek and harmonize. Grinning ghosts come out to socialize. If you would like to join a jamboree, there's a simple rule that's compulsory.
Mortals pay a token fee.
Rest in peace, the haunting's free. So hurry back, we would like your company.
Gummy bears demolished.
Follow Big Daddy!
That is fucking ridiculous.
Bicyclists, thank you for cycling.